Good morning, y'all. How y'all doing? This is Boss Mama from Boss Mama's Creations. Up this morning pressing a couple of shirts. Just wanted to show you how to put a transfer on. I have a heat press here from Heat Nation and it's set to 300 degrees for 10 seconds. I have my shirt and my transfer already cut out that I did on my Epson 8550. It's a DTF transfer. And basically, you just get your shirt straight, line it up in the middle. I always line it up here where the spring is at. And you push it in, and you let the moisture out of it for 5 seconds. Pull it out. Here's my transfer. You place the transfer with the white side down. You kind of eyeball it and make sure it's kind of even here on the side. And we want to do 4 fingers down. And you always want to put your Teflon sheet on. Keeps it from burning. And you cover it up. And you want your pressure to be medium to firm. And here we go. And you just wait until you hear that beep. Pull it up. Pull it out. Take your Teflon sheet off. This is a cold peel. Sometimes you can take a little cool rag. Me, myself, I just kind of shake it a little bit. Let it cool down. And you should let it cool down for a couple of minutes there. I put it back on my heat press. Still a little warm. It'll cool down a little bit more. And then when you pour, you want to pour from one of these corners. And you want to pour with a little bit of confidence. And there you go. I don't know if you all can see this. And this is a Pursue Your Dreams shirt. And you want to put it back on the press again. And you want to hit it again with your Teflon sheet for about 5 more seconds. Put your Teflon sheet on there. Medium to firm press. And that just seals the deals, help you when you get ready to wash it. It's good for about 50 washes or more. Reaper goes off. Take it out. Pull it up. Take your Teflon sheet and pull it off. And here we go. Nice and straight. This is one of my shirts, Pursue Your Dreams. We have a couple of shirts at our website, and that's bossmamacreations.com. Also Tumblr, Instagram, and TikTok. Come and check me out. And this is how you do a transfer. Thank you.